Hello and welcome to another video on DIY crafting ideas for your playscale dollhouse diorama. In this video we will be looking at, in my dollhouse living room, I wanted to add a fireplace because I had a plastic one before, but I'm replacing that with one that's made out of wood. So here I drew this fireplace. It's going to be a square one, and it will have legs and it will have a chimney as well. So what will be cool is some of this video will have a little bit of ASMR as I handle the wood pieces. So what we have here is the fireplace. I had lost the footage on that. So now I'm letting you know how I'm going to add some of the trim. Pieces of wood, and we have a little even skinnier piece. We're using sandpaper, we're using the X-Acto knife. I'm using also a toothpick to make sure I don't get glue on the outside of the wood. And this is the glue I'm using. Well, there's glue. And these are the candles I'm going to be using in the... They have a little switch. So they'll look like that. And they're going to just sit inside. I will be putting the door on, and it'll sit right here in the front. And this is the door. This is just a piece of paper. I found that paper worked best. I was even using a clear plastic. It didn't work at all. Here's the finished product. I painted it black. I wanted it to look like a wrought iron fireplace. So that's why I painted it black. This is basically the only furniture piece that's going to be in the dollhouse diorama that's black. So then, see, I have grooves right there on the side, on the underside. That's where the picture is glued to. These grooves are just going to sit inside of this square and hold the door in place. So I don't need hinges or anything. Just pops on and off when I need to. Change the lights. And I'll show you how it looks in the dark. It looks really, really great. I love how that looks. You'll be able to see how it looks in the completed living room setup if you check out my other channel. This is a piece that I really love. This stone. I had picked it up from a place that I went vacationing to, and I liked the stone, so I grabbed it. And I figured I wanted to use it somewhere in here, but I didn't know how exactly. So I glued it onto this these 4 pieces to make like a square. So it's going to be a little shelf. It has a little crack here, but I just painted the wood a little bit of black, so the little crack on the stone doesn't show up. So it's a little piece of like marble, and I'm thinking about also glazing it so it could have a really nice shine to it. But if I do, you'll be able to see how it looks in my other channel. I'm not sure if I really want to do it though. this is what I wanted to use it for. See these logs? I wanted to use them to go in there, and then the shelf will be put near the fireplace. So I'm gonna be using these little pole sticks, the round ones, and I'm gonna put 3 here in the front, and then 3 there in the back. And then I'm going to use this flat basswood, cut it to go right on top of the round dowels. Okay, so I've cut them all. Three in the back. Stick that goes on top. The other one. And this is how they look all glued together. And we'll put these on there. Here it is. They're glued in. I really like the way it turned out. Oh my god. Still thinking about shining that up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the logs in there. I'm gonna show you how it looks when I'm done putting the logs in. Oh, you know what? Let's move it. I don't want it to fall on my glass tablet. It already fell once. Hard to do with one hand, so I'm gonna put down the camera, put them all in, and show it to you guys. And here they are. They're all inside. It held all of them, so I'm glad. And this piece is gonna go right next to the fireplace. This is a doll I showed in my other channel. Now, she's so beautiful. I absolutely love her face. Look at that. I'm a sucker for red lipstick and pale skin. So she has red hair, and that's also a plus. I wanted to upgrade her. So I went to the store and I found this lady. So she is a made-to-move doll, and she has very pale skin, just like my other doll. So I'm gonna be doing an operation. So here they are, both of them headless, after soaking them for 10 minutes in a bag in hot water. I never soak my dolls purely in hot water. They always go in a bag. So here's how she looks. Doesn't she look so good? She matches really great. And let's put her outfit on. There she is. Again, she looks fabulous. And no one will be able to tell that we switched out her bodies. Unless you knew the doll. And I could pose her however I like. And look at her beautiful face. On a doll that we can pose in any position we like. And she's going to go up in my shelf. I also did the same thing to another doll I found. Barbie Snow White. And her outfit was beautiful, but I didn't really want it. So look at that face. Again, red lipstick, pale skin, black hair this time. I really love black hair. So I couldn't wait to do the same thing to her. So I did. And this is her now. And this is her now. Again, a made-to-move Barbie body. And actually, she's from the same Made-to-move Barbie doll. So if you need a pale skin Made-to-move doll, Tennis Barbie is the one to go with. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video for you. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Check out these other videos till then. Bye!